Finally got my part for Toshiba. What it's doing, it turns on, but nothing lights up. I read on the internet that it has some BIOS issues, so I ordered this one. It finally arrived. And now I need to try to resolder it. That's the small part. It sits here. Okay, I want to remove this one and have access to this. Remove the battery. Remove the screen. What's not very professional from me, I left the soldering paste on here and on the battery. I don't have any thinner, so I just leave it. Not professional, you can't do that, better not to do that. Cool.
And it's back on track. Very happy.